Okay, I'm in London, Leicester Square. Finally, after a long tube journey. Whoa. Guy, calm down. No need to hit me with that bike. Okay, I'm in London, Leicester Square. Finally, after a long tube journey. Whoa. Guy, calm down. No need to hit me with that bike. Alright, anyways. There's a lot of people. So we need to go ahead and we need to explore Leicester Square. Because like this is one of the most important things in London. I've been here many times, but like I still love London. I'm gonna explore it all on my own, all alone, and this is gonna be fun. Trust me, London is so much better than Spain. So let me show you what we have next.
Guys, last thing, this is my job, this is how I make things, so if you like the show, you pay. If you don't like the show,
Okay, now we're gonna walk home straight. It's a long way, so I'll have to cross the road right above the corner. Wait a minute. Oh no, this ain't easy. Hold on. Wait, let that car pass first. Right, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. There the bus goes. Bye bye. Alright. Then why am I in the cycle lane? Get back! Okay, so walking back to my house on the streets of London with my Starbucks. And it's kind of cold, but it's still good. I mean, I love London. London is so special to me. I come here all the time. It's like the 16th time I'm here. And this is just so good. It's a long way home. I'll record the rest later.